In this video, we will understand projects and process templates. So currently, I'm in Azure DevOps org, and this organization, as we understood, this is the top layer of my project. You can call it as my company also. And in this org, we create different projects. Okay, so we can create either public or private project, and we can choose which version control we want to go for, either Git or Team Foundation version control. So here we have these set of process templates, so, work item process. So before that, we'll understand what is the process. So as we know, like whenever we start any project, we generally follow a particular process to complete that project, right? So we generally divide a particular project into set of area of work like dev work, testing work, or operation related work, right? And in particular dev work, we again define like what work we want to do, kind of what work items we want to complete. Like for example, develop login screen, develop checkout. Okay, and in detail again we go ahead and define set of detailed tasks also, right? Like for example, write login code, show message, and this complete work should follow a particular state, right? It starts from new and it goes to in progress, and finally it will be marked as done. So whenever new project starts, we generally follow this complete process, right? And these process templates will provide set of features which help us, to do all this work. For example, here we have this basic template provide set of work items uh, which are like meant for completing a basic work. Okay, which, and when it comes compared with agile, we know agile is more of uh, which brings in a lot of changes. So to handle a very complex project like agile and scrum, we need to have different a type of work items in that, right? So we choose these templates. CMMI is generally is chosen for set of projects where we work on some existing projects where we want to upgrade or take it to some maturity level. So these are like four different work item process templates we have. So here I have already created these projects based on different process templates. So if I have opened this agile project, and if we go here we can see like I have chosen agile process in this for this project. What's the difference? As I mentioned, we get different work items and different states option here. For example, I'm in agile project. Here I get these set of work items. Okay, we can create bug, epic, feature, issue, task, test cases, user story. Okay, and for basic, we'll start with basic. Maybe I should have started with basic. For basic, we get like only these three work items: epic, issue, and task. So this template is mainly used for completing some basic work. We have seen the agile, and in Scrum project we get almost close to what we get in agile project, but with some different here you see in agile we have user story, and here we have PBI impediment. Okay, so these are different kind of work items we get when we choose different work templates, process templates. So in CMMI we get so many different options altogether. So it based on the type of project, it is assumed that these are the expected work which we are going to do. So based on that, these are designed. Now if we go to basic project, if I create a new task here, if we see its state, it's showing as let me save it. Okay, if I save it and open, then for the same task we are now seeing these three different states. So as we saw in this one, these states, new, in progress and done, for each and every kind of process template we use, we are going to get different types of states. Okay, and for example in Scrum, in Agile project, if I go ahead and open some Agile one which we created, so this is Agile task. In the Agile we are getting new, active, closed, removed. Okay, and in the same way for Scrum we get different states. If you see for this is CMI, and here its states are like predefined in this manner. So I think that's it for this video. In this video we saw how to create project, and how what are the options we saw, what are the options we get for different types of process templates. Okay, in next video we'll explore some more features like customizing. Like by default we are getting these 4 default templates, right? And if you see these ones are showing as locked, that means we cannot customize these templates. But there is a way, like we can also customize that. We can check that in next video. Thank you for your time. See you in next video.